Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to explain how to know if your vehicle is ready for emissions. Right? If you go, it costs like $50, $70, $80, and if you don't pass, you have to pay that fee again. And sometimes your vehicle might be in a condition that it's okay to pass, but you did a battery replacement or the battery was weak and the computers will not be ready. In this video guys, we'll be using Foxwell here. This is not a sponsored video, this is a product that we purchased. Foxwell NT201, one of the cheapest scanners that you can read the OBD and you can check smoke test condition as well, IM readiness. So let me show you guys how that works now. Okay, all you have to do, connect it to the OBD port of the vehicle. Okay, let me do that quick. So, that's what we're doing now. Okay, right here. You can see the computer lit up. Now, these guys will be for any Mercedes vehicle and any other car as well. That works on anything past like 96, I believe. Turn the ignition on without starting the car. Okay, like that. You have to have the dash lights on, but do not start the car. Now, with this computer, you have two options. Okay, you can go to OBD or you can just click IM readiness. Okay, check it out now. And it's going to communicate with the car computer, it's going to read all different modules and all that stuff and let us know if the car is ready. Now, check out now, we have three lights, green, yellow, red. Red means that you have an engine light on, okay, there is a problem, you will not pass no matter what. Yellow one is if one of the computers is incomplete, it's going to be yellow. Now, if you have one incomplete computer, okay, system, you might pass, but it depends on the state, the year of the vehicle and all that stuff. Green light, almost like 99% that you will pass smokes. So, check out now. Okay, we have misfire, pass. Mu is the engine light on, it's off, right? DTC, 0 codes. Fuel, CCM, catalytic converters. Okay, no pending codes, evap, all that. Now the ones that you have that sign means that this vehicle is not equipped with that option. Okay, so it doesn't have those combined. Now, if I go back to OBD quick, see the computers. Okay, give me just a second. You see the computers in a row. Okay. Monitors okay, 8. Incomplete, 0. You saw that? So we are ready to go. Now you can scroll down to IM readiness, click enter. Since DTC clear, that's since the last time we cleared the engine light. And you can see everything's okay. The one that are not available, it says NA. So that's how you know guys that you're going to pass emissions. And again, all you can do is just click that button, it's going to do the same thing as well. So this is, we're demonstrating on Mercedes guys, but that will work pretty much on any vehicle you can think of. So thank you for... Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.